Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the audio mode on Insta360 GO Ultra. To do it, slide down from the top of your screen, then go right twice to go to audio settings. Now you can set it to auto wind noise reduction strong, which is suitable for cycling, running and other sports scenarios. You can also set it to auto wind noise reduction weak, which is great for walking, jogging or conditions with light wind. Then there's also voice enhancement for vlog scenarios or original audio for music and other scenarios. You can select whichever one of those you'd like, and this is how you can do it. You can also click on this little button in top right corner to change the mic gain to a higher or lower value, to change basically the volume of the microphone. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.